Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I am here with my weekly garden walkthrough. This is number 8 and just checking in on my flowers here. On these I've been deadheading them, like just breaking off the old blooms, and it seems to be working well. That lets them put more energy towards making new flowers. Got some new buds coming out on this one. This one I watered. Well, I watered everything real good a couple days ago, and it rained twice this week. But these everything was good except these were drooping just slightly. So they are got a couple or about 3 new blooms here, the bright colored ones, and the other ones are older. But I haven't broken any off of this one or deadheaded this one yet. I will when the blooms get a little older. I just want to see what these little pods do on the top. I don't know if they're going to go to seed or what. So I don't know if those are seeds or what. I've never had one of these before. Impatience. Doing well, growing. My little hosta over there, my big hosta. My tomatoes doing well, are getting very tall. As you can see, this one right here is taller than me. That's got to be, I don't know, 6'5". And I've still got my big tomatoes on here, but I'm thinking about picking them and letting them finish ripen inside because, I mean, how much bigger can they get, or do you want it to get? Do I want them to get any bigger? I really don't. I just want them to get ripe now, and since they're not starting to turn red, I think that the smartest thing I can do is go ahead and pick them before they get damaged or something. So hopefully they'll be good after I take them inside and let them ripen. I did put some Epsom salts on there yesterday, which gives your plants magnesium. I read about, someone suggested it, and the water will, you can see the white down there, that's the Epsom salt, and that is magnesium. So that is just good for the overall plant. It's good for the plant, and it's good for helping your plant make veggies. So we'll see how that does. And I did pick a zucchini this week that I have inside. And I did also go ahead and fertilize my plants and flowers with a special fertilizer that's made for plants and flowers. So they're all doing well. Hostas are blooming. And then on my cucumber here, I've got, this one's about ready to pick. I'll be picking that today. And I have another one somewhere. Where is it? Let me see. I got a little one down there. And I have another one here that's about, another baby one there. I thought I had another one. Oh, here it is. Right here. Kind of a short, stocky one. And on my zucchini, I see that I have another one growing right here. So that's about ready to pick. And then I have a little one down there, but it doesn't look so good. It's turning yellow and it's got brown spots, so I might pull that one off because it doesn't look like it's going to do well, and I'd rather have the plant putting its energy into the veggies that are going to do better, but still got lots of flowers coming up down in there. Some new flowers up here. So over here, my yellow squash. Still no yellow squash, but lots of flowers. So hopefully my Epsom salts will help these flowers turn into squash. So just so many flowers. Oh, wait a minute, what do I see? Look. Yay! That's my first yellow squash. Alright, it's ready to pick too. It's a beauty. Alright, that's awesome. Can't believe it. So excited. So hopefully that's a sign I'll be getting lots of yellow squash. Over here, my little zucchini. Still lots of flowers. And hopefully the Epsom salts will help these little guys. So that's all for today. Everything's doing well. Here's my impatiens and my periwinkles. Haven't collected any more rocks from my front section that I'm working on. I haven't had time to do that, but I'll get out and do that soon. So, thank you for watching. Everyone have a great week. And I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.